Hello and welcome to this short video about Sony KSS-151A mechanism. Isn't that neat? When people talk about KSS-151, they sort of talk about the whole thing, but KSS-151A is just that moving bit, you know, that's a laser head that moves on those magnetic rails. And actually mechanically there's a wheel there that rolls on a little ramp. But the rest of it is a loader. And but the actual laser mechanisms are housed in different loaders. And this comes from CDP-338ESD. I used to use one of those for years as my transport, and I have a lot of them to choose from, but it's just very good, very reliable, very nice digital output, so why not? This one, however, had a little bit of problem that, well, it was stuffed up by somebody else before, and it was hooked up by a ribbon in a wrong way, and then the head wouldn't travel. But I've also noticed that they had difficulties reading CDs in the beginning. And whereas most of them, the locking is done by the little device that you can sort of turn screwdriver from underneath, and it will lock, that bracket will lock on a lever below there. In this one they use this spring-loaded little trick, and it normally is locked in that position unless the tray goes in and that gets released, and then the thing can travel. So that works very well. But I've never had that out before, and I sort of wanted to examine it further and see what's going on there, and whether it works properly, and it didn't. It wasn't mounted here very well, and that screw was sort of loose. And then I looked how well it's actually built. You see, the whole chassis is metal, the tray is metal, and I always rave about KSS-190 when they have brass rails. Well, this one also has a brass rail here, but it's hidden, so that's why I didn't know about it. So it's actually a much better mechanism that I ever gave it a credit. Well, it's really great unit. They're very reliable, so they never go wrong. That's why I've never had it apart. So that's about all. I shortly should be available for sale. If you ever want to buy something from me, in the profile there in the YouTube video there is a contact details. There's an email there. So that will be all. I just want to close it up because it's really nice and smooth, and it's a neat trick, and now you can see the head travels smoothly. Well, thank you very much, and to the next one. Bye bye.